Trump will be on the position on Monday. Is there any insight for Tesla? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart and also any insight for the Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin and Tesla? If you like these two stocks, you don't miss this video. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So now we look at Tesla. Basically, the blue line is my exclusive indicator. So I use my indicator to tell you what is going on. If you don't use my indicator, you will need more like support, resistance, the moving average, this kind of traditional indicator, which is still fine. But the thing is a bit delayed. Those because everyone is using the indicator. So you need to know three things for trading. One is the trend. The second is the fund movement. The third is the buy sell point. Okay. We buy when we are in the good trend and also to know the fund is coming in. Okay. This is the minimum. Okay. So my indicator can tell you the trend and the fund movement and also the buy sell point. So now look at the trend movement for Tesla first. The blue line is my exclusive indicator called YM Club Long. You can see basically we buy Tesla, we follow Tesla for a very long time. We buy here, we buy here, we buy here. Okay. Basically, blue line is a very good indicator to tell you this is the what kind of trend. So when you buy here, we have video to suggest you sell here because we're using the blue line strategy. Blue buy in, buy, and then you sell here. Okay. So we're making very good profit basically. This is the minimum profit. Some of you can buy here also. Okay. So the thing is, what should we do right now? What is the trend right now? You can see it's very obvious from upward trend and they change to flat. They change to flat. So far, we don't have any big change yet. It's still flat, although the Trump is on the position on Monday. Okay, so let's see the fund movement. Okay, fund movement basically is coming back above zero. So it's getting strong. What is the YM big buy? YM big buy to track the big volume trade. We need these to be above zero. This means strong. Okay, green is buying, net buy. Okay, the red is net sell. It means buying. Okay, when it's green, buying more than the sell. The red sell more than the buy. So easy. When it's above zero, this means the funding is consistently buying a strong market. Okay, so we just crossing the line the last Friday, the last trading day. Okay, and you can see the institution holding is the same. Okay, but one thing I would like to ask you, is it good moment to buy right now? Is it good moment to buy right now? You can see first thing, we are still under the blue line. Okay, so for regular investor, it's no buy signal yet. We need this to go above the blue line first. Okay, and the best is blue line, changing the direction as well. Okay, if the blue line is flat, this will be quite a sideways like this. We don't want sideways unless you are using YM Club Fast. YM Club Fast tell you for the short-term trade. Okay, so you can use YM Club Fast also. You buy here when they go above the red and you sell here. Okay, and you buy here. And so far we don't have sell signal for short-term trader. Okay, for long-term investor, for regular one, we don't have any buy points now. Okay, so this basically we have one buy point here, but you're not all in. You're not doing 100% in. Why? Because we are still under this zero, right? We're still under zero, and this blue is still flat. So if you look at history, it's very easy to look. If you look at history, we do have a moment like this, right? We drop below the blue, you buy here because they go above and they change direction, the red. Okay, the fund movement at this time is a lot of red and they go above, they just go above zero. So this is fine. You buy here, for example, you buy here, and also they have an extra indicator called YM chip entry. You can see here. It means institution buying here, and then they have a long bull one. Now we don't have this. So we don't know how long will this last for. We are not sure they will go above the blue because we don't have enough fund coming in. Okay, we need strong fund coming in to tell you this one will go very long term bull one. Okay, so I want to give you some example here. For example, when we go, this is going downward. So when the blue turning downward, even you buy here, even we have YM chip entry, it doesn't mean it's still we have chip YM chip entry. I mean they have a chance to go above. But since the blue line is still turning downward, the thing is the blue line is still turning downward. So this is still a downward trend. So even we have fund coming in, they try to change the direction of the trend. Yes, but would be still fluctuating here. It's not like this one go all the way up. They will still fluctuate with here. And then they struggle to go above the blue. And then once they go above the blue, they have a big chance. They have a big chance to go a blue one like this. Okay. So for example, so when the blue line, so imagine the trend, the stock trend is like a big cruise, a big boat, okay? And we need money, which is like an extra oil to change the direction of the boat. Does it make sense? Let's say the boat is consistently to go with one direction. It's consistent, right? If you don't put external force, external power, they don't change direction. You need external power to change it. Then they will change from downward trend to upward trend. Does it make sense? It's just imagine this is a boat, okay? So for example, what is the external force, external energy for the stock market, which is the fund movement, the fund. That's why I always say you need to have this indicator. Why we need this indicator? It's very easy to tell you what is going on with the fund movement. The fund come in or the fund is leaving, okay? So you need the fund to come in to tell you, hey, we are trying to change the direction of the boat. We are trying to change the trend. Okay, so this is very clear. So right now we are not sure yet because it's getting flat. So basically, it's still waiting. The market is not so certain. Okay, because it's quite a long, like a big race right here. So maybe you will come down a bit more, or you will go sideways, or you need to change minimum. You need to go above the blue line to tell you, hey, they have a opportunity. Okay, so far for regular investor, we don't have opportunity yet, no signal yet. But if you're short-term trader, basically we have signal on basically on this day. I don't recommend because if you look at here, it's still not strong. So this one on Wednesday, you could buy in. Okay, but still it's not ideal buy point because the YM big buy is not really above zero. It's not like this one is good buy point because we have one indicator, two indicator, three indicator to tell you the fund is very positive to come into this stock. Okay, and then they go above blue line also. So this is different. This one, the blue line not yet above, and we don't have this. And of course, this doesn't happen very often. This is a bonus, okay? So we have one indicator, two indicator to tell you the fund come in. Yes. Is it strong enough to change the direction? We don't know yet. So let's see how it goes. So this is the update for Tesla. Another thing I want to update with you is Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is getting something interesting happening here. Basically, I give you a video about warming the Bitcoin. We have some problem because we're in a downward trend. Okay, we can see clearly. And last time I also show you this line is the strong support line. Okay, if you see this long wick, basically to tell you people buying. Every time when they touch this point, people buy. Okay, so if you look at my indicator, you can see very clearly. You don't need to know the candle meaning. You don't need to know so detail. Why? Because you have my indicator to tell you institution buying here. Okay, I don't know it's a government or institution, but it's big enough to call institution. Okay, one thing. The second thing is they go above here, right? And we have one indicator to tell you institution buying. YM cheapest to tell you on basically on this day also we have enough chips to go above, and we have above zero signal also for YM big buy. So what does it mean? So if you want to be very safe, you can buy on this day because we have one, two, three indicator to tell you, hey, this is a good buy point. Why? Because they go above the blue line also. Okay, above the blue line also. One more thing I want to check with you is the direction of this blue line from downward trend. Now change to the flat. Okay, remember when we change the trend, It is always a transaction. Okay, it's very rare to have a V-shaped change. Very rare. So, but it's a very good change right now. So, do we have a chance to change the blue line to go upward? Yes, we need to wait a little bit. So we have funding coming in here already. Okay, basically around this candle. It's very good indicator why I'm cheap entries, to be honest. Why? Because they tell you where the institution buying. Okay, but I don't recommend you buy when they have the first green. No, it's better to finish the green bar first. Okay, finish the green bar, and then it will confirm the institution finished the buying. Okay, otherwise it would take a while. And we do have a strategy how to buy with this green. So basically, we use the first candle or the highest candle. If it is the highest candle, it's more aggressive buying. I show you, for example, here. Use this example. When we go, the safe buying is the first candle. Okay, the first candle. When they go above this candle, the highest price. So the first candle, when they go above, and then you buy in, and they'll also go above the blue line also. You buy in basically on this day, on this day. It's have a high chance they go higher. Okay, is it possible they come back down? Yes, it's possible. Depends how much is the fund. Okay, so it's not guaranteed, but it's a very good indicator. If they come back down, you can always so let's say you buy here, right? You can reduce here, or you can reduce here also because it dropped below the blue. Okay, does it make sense? Okay, so the first strategy is you use the first candle to buy, the safe strategy. The second strategy is you use the highest candle to buy, which is here. Usually the highest candle is the lowest because institution, when they buy, they have a strong support here. Okay, if they drop below, they will fresh and they will start buying again. Okay, but we don't buy every day when they buy. Why? Because we don't have enough money, like institution, because it will last for quite a while. When they buy, it doesn't mean this is absolutely low, but I can tell you this is a relative low. Why? Because they have hired so many people to study this. Okay, so they know very well where's the low. They know the valuation really well. So we just need to follow what they are doing. So this is called smart trading. Okay, so we need to do something smart. Okay, to save our time. Okay, so this is the update today. If you want to have this indicator, and you can click the subscription in the description. The link is in the description. And I see you in the next video. So let me repeat. So basically the Bitcoin, we are already above the blue line. And then the Tesla not yet. Okay, so this is the update today. I wish you guys have a happy Sunday. I see you next video. Bye.